What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will be showing you how to make an FPS Roblox gun in Roblox Studio. Now to make this you really do need Roblox Studio. You can't make this on the website or anything like that. And this is no free model, so it's completely created by me. So let's get on with it. So before anything starts, you want to go to Starter GUI, insert a screen GUI, and in that screen GUI insert a text label. So when you're done with that, I'm just gonna auto scale this so it fits on all devices. Link to the plugin will be in the description, and the scripts will be in the description too, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly customize this, alright, for the video. Alright, now rename the screen GUI to ammo display. Oh gosh, I have caps on. Ammo display. And rename the text label to ammo text. When you're done with that, that's all we need for the GUI now. So we can close off that. Then go to Start Player, Start Character Scripts. You want to insert 3 local scripts and copy the scripts in the paste bin or in the description. So these are walking effects or the FPS effects itself. So that's very important for our FPS gun. So now it's time to actually make the gun. Go to models and then meshes, or you can build your own. Find your gun that you want. I'm gonna make mine M4A1. Sometimes when you spawn meshes, it's usually really huge. So I'm just gonna rescale it to to normal size. Now you wanna insert a tool to the workspace. Drag your mesh in that tool, or whatever your handle is. Rename your mesh to handle so the script knows what's actually the handle. So once we have that, you want to insert these scripts into the tool. I didn't type the scripts because it will take ages for me to type it on video. So I'm just leaving it like that. So I'm going to open up a plugin here so I know how big my tool is. Okay, mine, it looks a lot big, really big. Let me just rescale it. Alright, I think that looks normal enough. You guys can insert any mesh as long as you make it count or something. As long as you rename it to handle, it'll be good and your player will guaranteed be holding it. So my tool grip looks good. Wait, I forgot to do something here. So when your tool grip looks outstanding, what you want to do now is you want to animate. So I'm going to animate now. What you want to do is click build rig. I'm going to pick R6, but you can pick R15. Insert a block rig. Put the tool in the dummy or your gun. Open up animation editor. Select your rig. I'm gonna just rename it to M4. And then start animating. So first I'm gonna make an idle animation, aka movement at the same time. So this will be our animation when we're moving. So I'm just gonna make it real quick. Now this will have a shooting animation added to it too. Since my last video it was literally only the idle animation without any shooting animation. So in this video I'm gonna make up for that. And I'm gonna make a little, cool gun here. So this animating style is kinda inspired by a Roblox animator known as Falco Blockland. So yeah, go subscribe to him and subscribe to me, because I'm the one teaching you how to make these guns. I might speed this up a little. think I'm almost done with my animation. When your animation looks good, check it in first person. Like that. That's how it should look. I think mine looks outstanding. So I'm done with my idle animation. Now what you want to do is click toggle looping animation on. And then set animation priority to action. Set it to action. Then you want to export your animation. So I might have already made an animation, which is tutorial. So I'm going to just overwrite that asset. And there. So I'm going to go to the browser and then click animations. Click animations. And then find your animation. What you want to get is the ID. The ID. Copy it. And in your tool, you want to insert an animation. Rename that idle or that animation to idle anim. Then you want to insert a remote event. Rename that remote event to deal damage. Now we're not done yet. Don't delete your dummy. Alright? We need your dummy for shooting animation. So next I'm gonna make a shooting animation. This should be pretty simple. So yeah, when it's looped, it kind of goes like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to make some tiny frames here. So it actually looks like it's shooting. But as you can see, it does go like that when you shoot. If you want to test it out like rapidly shooting, just turn looping on and then play. But for our shooting animation, don't make it like that. Don't make it looped. Or else your animation will play over and over again no matter what you do. Now, export your animation. I haven't made an animation for this yet, so I'm just gonna say tutorial fire. You can rename it to whatever you want, but I'm just gonna call it tutorial fire. Now you want to go back to your browser and take your animation. So in my case, it's tutorial fire. So I'm gonna copy this animation. And then here we have one of our scripts, which is this local script. You wanna delete the ID, paste in your ID, and now it should work like a dream. Also, man, if you want your first-person game to actually be sick, make sure you put in these walking effects or these arms visible. All the scripts are in the description. They are a pastebin link, since now I'm using pastebin. So yeah, I'm just gonna rename this to M4A1 and set your game to R6 or R15 depending on what animation you used. So mine was R6, so in that case I'm using R6. So let's do this. This is our... Oh wait, alright guys, sorry about this. I don't think we actually pasted our animation. Alright, sorry about this. So you want to paste in your idle animation into idle anim. Don't forget that, or else your idle animation will be a huge wreck. So I'm just gonna copy that and paste it into idle anim. When that's done, now our gun should be the perfect expertise. So I'm just gonna go full screen this. As you can see, now we have our gun. Of course, this is not the best animation quality you've definitely seen. But hey, this is just what I like, okay? So if you shoot, we do get our animation. we forgot to add the sound. So if we go to toolbox and add an audio, and then we search up M4A1 or something, whatever your gun is. Okay, I'm just gonna take this one. You wanna put it in your M4A1. Rename it to gunshot. Might want to change up the volume a bit. So in this case, now when you shoot, it should pretty much have a sound. So there's also something in the script I want to tell you guys about, so you can edit the gun. So in this main script, I'm gonna add a little thing where you change the max ammo for every mag, and then here will be reload time. Here will be damage, and here how much ammo will be subtracted from the magazine. So yeah, that's basically all you need to know about the script to customize your gun. Now you can of course change the handle, you can change the animation, you can change a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't think you can change this. As long as you change this, it will go with this script too. So now that that's done, hopefully this tutorial actually showed you guys how to really make a gun in Roblox Studio. Wasn't the easiest thing to code, wasn't the easiest thing to make either. I don't think you've seen this exact tutorial on YouTube before. The exact. So yeah, call this as the first. Of course, this is kind of a beta animation and stuff. It's not like I really took the animation seriously. But of course, you can animate this, make it a lot different. And I have a G360 model in the description, so you can take that and do absolutely nothing. So yeah, bye guys. Hopefully this video really taught you something.